Um, Today is the 8th of January 2025. I've been off sick now for a couple of days, maybe 3 days or so. I'm going back to work tomorrow. So today I basically realized that I'm trying to be proactive. So I realized that having a limited budget doesn't mean you need to have a limited mindset. It just means that you need to spring to action and get things going. Like, the one thing that has popped up a lot in the few days, like with my struggles and whatever I've been going through, is that no one is coming to save you. And that same phrase keeps on coming and popping up. And I realize there's no time to sit around and mope and feel sorry for yourself. Sometimes you gotta do stuff on your own and not rely on anybody. And sometimes you just need to deal with the harsh realities in silence. Like for me, I've been surrounding myself with people, and I haven't really given myself time to kind of, heal and progress with life. And being a single dad, in a sense, I haven't given myself time yet. Yes, and I've spent most of my time like with my son and putting him at the forefront and using him as a shield. But 2025 is a different year. It's all about, being bravery, facing rejections, going out and seeking rejection, because the only way you're going to get to success is by, learning to be rejected and moving on gracefully from whatever it is that you're trying to do. So if it's business, personal life, whatever, romantic, whatever the case may be. So at the moment, it's mostly, for me, it's business. And, I need to put myself out there in terms of like getting, rejected. So yeah, I've dealt with rejection most of my life, a lot of it. But I need to have honest conversations where people tell me no in my face directly, and I need to deal with that harsh realities. And but it's going to be a successful year, 100%, 200%. I believe it's going to be a successful year. So yeah, I hope you guys are in on it. So today's a very productive day. The horse flaps are on, and I'm just focusing on what I need to do. A lot of changes are also coming. So keep following along. Thank you for everybody supporting me and my channel. Hopefully the brand as well. So yeah, I have a website. Check it out. Thank you very much.